In this lesson, you will learn about percent. This is the percent symbol, which you're probably familiar with. What you might not be familiar with is how it translates into numbers. So percent represents divided by 100. And if you think of how it's shaped, you just take the three parts and put them underneath the line, right? Now you can express a percent as a fraction or a decimal. So let's take those one at a time. 25%, since we've already got that line over 100, you just write the 25 on the top. So 25% is 25 over 100. Now you can simplify that by dividing both top and bottom by 25, and you end up with 1 over 4. You can also express it this way. 25% is actually 25 over 1, right? 25 wholes multiplied by 1 over 100. So you could think about it that way. And that works out to be 1 over 4. Now let's try expressing it as a decimal. 25 over 100 means the same thing as 25 divided by 100. And if you work that out on your calculator, you get 0.25, which is 25% as a decimal. Now let's take a look at some patterns here. 25% works out to 0.25. 49% works out to 0.49. 81 at 0.81. So what's the pattern here? Can you see the pattern? Math is all about finding patterns. Notice how each time you take the original number and you simply move the decimal places over to the left. So here's the 25. The decimal actually is here. So it goes over 1, 2, and it ends up on the left of the 2. See right there. Same thing with the 49. It moves over 2 spots. 1, 2, and ends up to the left of the 4. Cool, huh? So what do you think 36% is in decimals? Pause the recording here while you figure it out. Did you get 0.36? If you did, you got it right. Good for you.